Hello, my little superstars. Today we are going to read sentences. Are you ready? Yes. Let's begin. Follow the small blue circle and read along. Before we begin, do click on the red subscribe button if you haven't to watch fun videos every day. Let's get started. Visit to safari. I went to the jungle safari with my family. Again, I went to the jungle safari with my family. Your turn. Very good. We sat in a big jeep. Again, we sat in a big jeep. Your turn. Very good. I saw lions, elephants, and deer. Again, I saw lions, elephants, and deer. Your turn. Very good. Now, let's take some time to see all the pictures on this page. Were you able to recognize all the animals? Let's go to the next page. The animals were walking and resting. Again, the animals were walking and resting. Your turn. Very good. It was fun to see wild animals. Again, it was fun to see wild animals. Your turn. Very good. Let's have a look at this picture. Let's answer some questions now. Question 1. Where do we go for a safari? Option 1, zoo. Option 2, jungle. And the right answer is option 2, jungle. Very good. Question 2. What do we sit in during a safari? Option 1, jeep or bus. Option 2, bicycle. And the right answer is option 1, jeep or bus. Question 3. Which animal has a long trunk? Option 1, elephant. Option 2, zebra. The right answer is option 1, elephant. Very good. Question 4. Which animal has a very long neck? Option 1, giraffe. Option 2, fox. And the right answer is option 1, giraffe. Very good. Question 5. Why should we stay quiet on a safari? Option 1. So we don't scare the animals. Option 2. So we can sing loudly. And the right answer is option 1. We don't scare the animals. I hope you enjoyed this video. You did very well. You did amazing today. You read so many sentences and answered all the questions. Do subscribe if you haven't, so that you can watch fun videos every day. Are you excited to meet Teaching Mama in the next video? I am excited too. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.